And mixed fortunes for the weather, not just for today, for the rest of the week. We've got outbreaks of rain, wet and windy weather coming through, but hints that things turn colder towards the end of the week. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday.
Yourself an award over the weekend. Congratulations to ever.
I mean, let's just change the title. Yes, it is. Now, weather-wise, yes, we had the storms, the wet, the windy over the weekend. And actually, for many of us, it means it's relatively mild to start this morning. A lot of cloud around first thing, but weather fronts queuing up to bring yet more wet and windy weather as we head through the week. So wet and windy weather moves across England and Wales for tomorrow. Successions of weather fronts queuing up, crystal ball as well.
Doesn't it just?
Does.
Well, you are
the
world's best forecaster.
Good morning to you. This weekend we had two named storms, very wet and windy weather around. Today is looking that little bit calmer. But first thing this morning we have got some rain. It's slowly clearing away from eastern areas and then there'll be some decent sunshine. So here's how it looks first thing this morning. Clear skies for some areas means just a touch of frost around. Thank you, with my crystal ball award-winning trophy there from my weather summit on Friday. Now, weather-wise, I can tell you it is not award-winning, but actually this weekend we had the storms, two named ones, even a tornado. But the weather today is quieter, it is calmer. That's before we see another low pressure tomorrow, bringing yet more wet and windy weather. Yes, our very own cyclone, an area of low pressure, will move in tomorrow, bringing wet and windy conditions, but nothing as stormy as ferocious as that they saw in the jungle. Weather-wise for today, though, it is that bit calmer. It is largely dry, it is largely frost-free, but it is cloudy first thing. The latest satellite radar picks out a lot of cloud, a few clear spells across Scotland as allowed frost to develop here, but a good-looking dry start for many of us. Patchy cloud will break, so some sunny spells through the afternoon. A bit windy initially, but those winds will ease. At the moment, a few showers likely to feed in by the afternoon for the northeast of England and eastern Scotland. A little bit cool here, 6 or 7, but elsewhere it remains mild, 12 or 13 degrees our top temperature. Tonight, though, this band of rain moves in, so a wet and windy night of weather ahead. A band of heavy rain moves through. So tomorrow starts off pretty soggy. Heavy rain moves across Scotland and northern England. Blustery showers follow on behind. The risk of some gales through southern and western coast tomorrow. So make the most of the dry weather today. Good morning to you. We start the weather much quieter than it was this weekend. We had two named storms, even a tornado across the Republic of Ireland. But today it is quieter. It is largely dry to start, some rain clears, and then some decent spells of sunshine. A touch of frost in the north with the clearest skies, but for many of us it is mild. Today we have a few showers across the far northeast of England and eastern Scotland, feeding in on a breeze and a cool day here, 6 or 7, but elsewhere it is mild. A bit of a breezy start, the winds ease. Sunny spells and dry weather takes us through the afternoon with top temperatures of 13 degrees. Here is a band of rain that moves in overnight tonight, so a wet, windy and mild night ahead. And it sets us up for a pretty blustery day of weather for tomorrow.